Here at Console, we've got the brand new Brother S7180A813. We will now give you a short demonstration about the key features of this machine. The first one being the machine's light that is adjustable on the side of the head. Now this can be adjusted to your personal setting as the strengths are different and there are 3 modes. This is the strongest, the medium, the weakest, and off. We will now give you a short demonstration of the machine sewing. As you can see, there's a button here that lets you manually reverse the stitch, allowing you to do a barrow attack. But also the barrow attack feature can be put on by this digital display. There is a single barrow attack and a double barrow attack option for the start and the end of when you are sewing. And also, there's a little button on the side that allows you to manually sew the machine at a slower speed. As you can see, the machine automatically lifts up the presser foot and cuts the thread for you, allowing you to remove the material by simply pressing the heel of the pedal. The stitch length is also adjustable via this electronic dial here. All of these features can be adjusted here on the electronical dial, including the barrow attack length, the stitch length, and the double barrow attack at the start and at the end of when you are sewing. For any more questions, please do not hesitate to give us an email, call us, or check our website. Thank you very much.